Hello and welcome to Electric Bike and Car, the channel where we talk about everything related to electric vehicles. In this video, we are going to give you a comprehensive guide on how to buy an electric car. If you are interested in eco-friendly mobility, then this video is for you. But before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Electric cars are the future of transportation, as they offer many benefits such as lower emissions, lower running costs, and lower maintenance. However, buying an electric car is not as simple as buying a conventional petrol or diesel car. There are many factors to consider before you make your decision. Here are some of the key points you should keep in mind. 1. Price. Electric cars are generally more expensive than their conventional counterparts due to the high cost of batteries and powertrain. However, you can also save money on fuel, taxes, and maintenance in the long run. So, you should compare the total cost of ownership of an electric car with a similar petrol or diesel car before buying. You should also factor in the depreciation rate of an electric car, which may be higher than a conventional car due to the rapid advancement of technology and competition. 2. Incentives and tax benefits. The government offers various incentives and tax benefits for electric car buyers, such as reduced GST, subsidy under FAME scheme, income tax deduction, and exemption from road tax and registration fees. These can reduce the upfront cost of an electric car significantly, so you should check the eligibility and availability of these benefits before buying. You should also be aware of the terms and conditions of these benefits, such as the validity period, maximum limit, etc. 3. Specifications. Electric cars have different specifications than conventional cars, such as battery capacity, driving range, charging time, power output, torque, acceleration, etc. You should understand these terms and compare them with your needs and preferences. For example, if you drive long distances frequently, you should look for an electric car with a high driving range and fast charging capability. If you want a sporty and fun driving experience, you should look for an electric car with a high power output and torque. You should also check the energy efficiency of an electric car, which is measured in kWh per 100 kilometers or km per kWh. 4. Charging infrastructure. One of the biggest challenges of owning an electric car is finding a place to charge it. Unlike petrol or diesel pumps, charging stations are not widely available in India yet. So, you should check the availability and accessibility of charging stations near your home, office, and on your regular routes. You should also consider installing a home charger if possible. A home charger can be either a regular 15-amp socket or a dedicated wall box that can charge your electric car faster and safer. You should also check the compatibility of your electric car with different types of chargers and plugs. 5. Practical usability. Electric cars have some advantages and disadvantages over conventional cars in terms of practical usability. For example, electric cars are quieter, smoother, and more responsive than conventional cars. They also have fewer moving parts and fluids that require servicing and replacement. However, they also have some limitations such as lower top speed, reduced performance in extreme weather conditions, and lower resale value. They also require more planning and awareness when it comes to charging and driving habits. So, you should weigh the pros and cons of electric cars before buying. These are some of the main points you should consider before buying an electric car in India. Of course, there are many other factors such as brand reputation, after-sales service, warranty coverage, design aesthetics, safety features, etc. that you should also look into. Ultimately, the best electric car for you depends on your personal choice and budget. We hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If you have any questions or comments about electric cars or any other topic related to electric vehicles, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you next time.